Last year, Samsung launched the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Samsung is developing its next premium smartwatch. A new report suggests the device will launch in the summer of 2026. It is expected to be called the Galaxy Watch Ultra2. The Watch Ultra2 will allegedly launch alongside the Galaxy Watch 9 whenever that one gets official, most likely at the same time as the Korean company's next Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Flip 8 devices around July. Reports suggest a shift to the 3nm Snapdragon Wear Elite chip, promising improved performance. It offers 64GB of storage instead of 32GB. The Galaxy Watch Ultra2 sports a 1.5-inch circular Super AMOLED display and a 47mm dial with a titanium casing. The watch has an IP6X rating for dust resistance and 10 ATM for water resistance. It has a 640 mAh battery with wireless fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.